Hey family, happy Life Day. Happy Life Day. Happy Life Day, y'all. Every day that we are living is a day to be happy and to be celebrated. So happy Life Day, you all. If you don't know, I am Almedia Exum, and welcome to my channel, you all. The motivational message. Oh, also, thank you for tuning in and thank you for your support. Just always have to remember to say that. The motivational message of today is be a powerhouse of good energy. Again, the motivational message of today is be a powerhouse of good energy. Do you all receive that? Be a powerhouse of good energy. You all, I was thinking about this idea of like a power plant. And so the definition of a power plant is an installation where electrical power is generated for distribution, right? Electrical power is generated for distribution. Electrical power, this idea of electrical power. Well, our bodies are electric. And when you shift into good energy, we kind of become full of good electricity, so to speak. So I had this idea of like a power plant. So I was like, okay, today's message is going to be a powerhouse of good energy. And the definition for powerhouse, right, is a person or thing with great energy, great strength, and great power. So when I say be a powerhouse of good energy, be a person with great energy, strength, and power within you. May your vessel be full of good energy. That's the motivational message today. I was thinking about this. I heard this quote that said, let your love send off so much positive energy. You listening? Let your love send off so much positive energy that it shifts the vibration in the room. I'm going to say that again, you all. Okay? Let your love send off so much positive energy that it shifts the vibration of the room. Have you ever been in a room with somebody, or have you ever been that person where you're in a room and you're just having the time of your life, and before you know it, everyone's eyes are on you? Or you're in a room or a meeting or a concert or whatever, and you see a group of people or one person that everyone's looking at because they are vibrating good energy. They're having the time of their lives, and you can't help but look at them. You can't help because their energy is drawing you in. That they're being a powerhouse of good energy. I want to encourage every one of you to display that the best way you can. Be a powerhouse of good energy. Don't let negativity hold you down. Don't let uncertainty and the thoughts of doubt and not good enough hold you down. Decide that your vessel, your being, is going to be a powerhouse, a power plant of good energy and intentions for the world. Is that being too optimistic? You can tell me. Leave comments below. But I believe that this is something that we can all do. And I want to encourage you all to the best of your ability, try to be that person that we've all seen, or sometimes we have been in other times in other experiences in our lives. But we've definitely seen other people do this, where we go into a room and there's a group of people huddled around one person talking. They're huddled around that one person because they display good energy, confidence, assurance in themselves, and that's why everyone's drawn around them. You can have that too. Maybe you've had it before in your life. You can have that again. Decide that you're going to show up to the world with good energy, not negativity, not gossip, not thoughts of doubt, and not good enough. You're going to show up to the world as a powerhouse. Your body is storage for good energy only. You cast out any negative energy, any negative intentions. I heard someone say that everything is energy, which it is. Everything is energy. Match the frequency of the reality that you want, and you cannot help but get the reality. If you match your energy with the reality that you want in life, you're going to eventually manifest all of your heart's desires. God, the universe, wants you to have everything your heart desires. But you must match that frequency of that in which you desire. It was a net that went by. you must match that energy with that in which you desire with yourself, which means if you want, to, have $1 million or have the woman of your dreams or man of your dreams or life of your dreams, you have to hold within yourself, be a powerhouse of good energy to match that frequency in which you desire. Does that make sense? It says that everything is energy. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not a philosophy. This is physics. Albert Einstein actually said that. I remember going to events, and I had to go to these different events, like just for networking and stuff. And I remember I did not feel like going to the events. And even though I was tired, maybe having a bad, sad day, I would show up and turn on that light switch. What light switch am I talking about? I may not be feeling my best. I may not have felt my best. But when it was time to show up and be a part of an event, I would flip on that light switch in my mind, and not in my mind, but in my body. And I would say, I'm going to show up to this event with the most energy. I don't feel like being social. I'm a little shy, but I'm going to show up and you would never know I'm shy. I'm going to smile. I'm going to make other people feel comfortable. I'm going to meet a few people and get those people and take them into another crowd with some more people. And I'm going to get other people to talk to other people that they wouldn't talk to because they're uncomfortable. And I'm uncomfortable on the inside, but on the outside, I'm going to display energy and get intentions and love. And, I've had to do that for a lot of events. I've done that, I've done that before. And where people would say, oh, Media, you always seem so happy. You always seem so comfortable in yourself. And sometimes I didn't, but I knew how to turn it on because I didn't want anybody else to feel how I felt, and just because I had a tired day or sad day or life wasn't so great to me, I didn't want that energy to affect others. So I became that powerhouse of good energy, even when I wasn't sure what was going on in my personal life. Show up and display good energy, and it will return to you 10 times fold. I have witnessed that energy and those blessings of giving out good energy to other people returning back to me 10 times fold. I believe that for you too, that you can have that as well. I really do. The universe, also God, God is asking, show me your new vibration. I will show you miracles. I heard that saying, that the universe is asking you, show me your new vibration, and I will show you miracles. How often in life have we just been happy or been polite to someone else or did something just nice for other people, and then we were blessed? That's God. That's the universe saying, like, you show me how good and how high you can vibrate within your own vessel, and I'll return that to you. I will show you miracles. When you display good energy in your life, it really does come back to you 10 times fold. How many stories have you heard where people have said, oh, I've just been good to people? You've heard these stories. People have said, I've been good to people, or this happened to me, or this happened to me. I was just trusting the universe, trusting God. I was just being a good person. And before you know it, I was blessed with my dream house, or I was blessed with my dream job, or I was blessed with my dream career, because they set that intention out there. And the universe, God, repaid them with the miracles. I don't want to sound too fairy tale-ish, but I do want to encourage all of you, every last one of you, to be a powerhouse of good energy. I'm believing that for you. And I'm believing that once you become that powerhouse, more good energy will generate within you and around you. Everyone's going to want to be around you, and your life is going to transform. You all, that is the motivational message of the day. This is fruit from the tree of life. I hope it motivated you, and I hope it inspired you. Like I said, I'm going to start calling this fruit from the tree of life, y'all, because these are some good seeds, some good fruit we chewing on, these motivational messages. Thank you all for your support. Remember to click that like button and subscribe button, and follow me. Follow me on my social medias on YouTube here, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and SoundCloud for more motivational tips. Thanks again for tuning in. And if no one's told you today, just remember that you are loved, you are valuable, you matter. Today is the day to be celebrated because we are alive. So remember to love yourself, and remember to have a happy life day.